The EverGrain designer railing system features an extruded handrail, a universal top and bottom rail, innovative oval balusters, a post sleeve, an injection molded post cap, and post ring, all designed to add even more beauty to an EverGrain or Elements deck. This video contains detailed information to help you install designer railing kits quickly and accurately. Please keep in mind that these instructions are only a guide and do not address every circumstance. Therefore, they should not be used in lieu of the detailed and complete step-by-step written instructions located inside each railing kit. You can also obtain a copy of the most current version of the installation instructions and limited warranty by visiting evergrain.com or calling us at 1-800-641-4691. As you prepare to install the designer railing kit, please keep these important points in mind. Remember to make safety a priority. Always wear the proper protective clothing and safety equipment, and do not attempt to lift or carry more railing than you can handle at one time. As with wood, color variation of EverGrain materials will occur. Lay out and view all materials before cutting or fastening to check for consistency in color. The color of EverGrain materials will usually weather to a lighter shade within the first 12 weeks of exposure to the environment. EverGrain railing must be installed in accordance with the installation instructions. Deviations from these instructions may result in unsatisfactory performance and may exclude coverage of the material under the limited warranty. It is the responsibility of the installer to meet all building code and safety requirements and to obtain all required building permits. The tools you will need to install EverGrain designer railing kits are a miter box saw, a tape measure, a level, and a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips head bit, and a number 2 square drive head. To assemble one 6-foot section of railing, you will need one railing kit, one baluster kit, and 2 post sleeves. One post cap and one post ring are included in both the 38-inch and 48-inch post sleeve kits. When using the 116-inch post sleeve kit, the post caps and post rings must be ordered separately. To begin installation of the designer stair railing kit, install and prepare all mounting surfaces and posts to which the new designer railing will be installed. Post spacing must be a maximum of 72 inches on center. Do not notch posts. For the best appearance, cover the 4x4 wooden posts with EverGrain post sleeves. Due to various lumber sizes, planing of the wooden posts may be required. The designer stair railing kit provides you with 74-inch rails. You must confirm that your post spacing does not exceed the railing length. Before installing the EverGrain post sleeve, use a level to ensure that all wood posts are vertically plumb. Measure and cut each post sleeve to the correct height for your railing system. Place the post ring onto the bottom of the post sleeve and then slide the post sleeve onto the wooden post. The post sleeve should rest flush on the deck surface. Do not force the post sleeve over the post. Again, planing of the wooden posts may be required due to variation in lumber sizes. Next, measure and mark both the determined stair railing height and the top stair bracket placement. Pre-drill through the bottom 2 stair bracket screw holes into the post sleeve. Connect the top 2 EverGrain stair brackets to the posts with the 2 provided number 10 by 2.5 inch screws. Lay the bottom universal rail beside the post sleeves, making sure the single leg is facing the outer perimeter. The rail should extend past the post sleeves on each side, making sure the railing opening does not exceed the stair railing length. Mark both ends of the rail where they cross the post sleeve. Then, transfer your mark to the top universal rail and handrail and cut to length and angle. Determine the number of balusters needed for the stair railing section. The balusters should be positioned so that the space between them will not exceed 4 inches. Measure and mark the baluster screw holes on the bottom universal rail so that the spacing is symmetrical on the railing. Begin to pre-drill the baluster screw holes at the same angle as the railing angle. Use a scrap piece of material as a jig to ensure that the pre-drilled hole matches the railing angle. Next, align the now pre-drilled bottom rail to the undrilled top universal rail. Transfer the screw hole marks and pre-drill at the same angle. Remove the number of balusters needed for the stair railing section from the baluster kit. Determine the required baluster length to retain the railing height at the top of the stair run. Mark and cut to angle each end of the balusters, making sure all balusters are equal in length. Position all stair railing components out on a flat work surface, aligning the pre-drilled holes with the correct angles on the universal rails to the pre-cut balusters. Locate the 2 remaining stair railing brackets in the stair rail kit. Pre-drill through the top of the bracket into the ends of the bottom universal rail and attach with the 3 provided number 10 by 1 inch screws. Locate the crush block in the stair railing kit. It may be necessary to cut the crush block to size. The bottom universal rail must be supported at a maximum of 25 inches on center. Pre-drill and attach the crush blocks by driving a provided number 8 by 3 inch screw or a number 8 by 3 inch color coordinated screw, not provided, down through the top of the bottom universal rail. Depending on the stair railing length, it may be necessary to place a crush block on the underneath side of the bottom universal rail. Consult with your local building official for mandatory clearance height. Remove the baluster hardware pack from the baluster kit and begin attaching the balusters to the top universal rail using the provided number 8 by 3 inch screws. Repeat this procedure for the bottom universal rail. Do not overdrive the screws into the balusters. Slide the handrail over the top universal rail. Lower the assembled stair railing section onto the top rail brackets located between the post sleeves. Center the bottom of the stair railing section on the post sleeve. Pre-drill through the bottom stair railing brackets into the post sleeve and attach with the 2 provided number 10 by 2.5 inch stair railing bracket screws. A bit extension may be necessary to drive the screws. Continue the installation by pre-drilling through the top portion of the stair railing brackets into the underside of the universal rail and attach with the 3 provided number 10 by 1 inch bracket screws. Again, a bit extension may be necessary to drive the screws. Complete the installation by attaching the post cap using adhesive. There's no better way to complement the natural beauty of an EverGrain or Elements composite deck than with an equally attractive EverGrain designer railing system. Installing this railing system will add years of performance and lasting beauty. Tamko goes beyond decking and railing, providing a wide range of trusted building products, including Lamerite composite shingles, Metalworks steel shingles, Heritage laminated asphalt shingles, and 3-tab asphalt shingles. Other residential offerings include waterproofing materials, ventilation products, and asbestos-free cements and coatings. Each of these products delivers the assurance of Tamko quality, performance, and durability. For more information, call 1-800-641-4691 or visit tamko.com.